Well, it's cold out, but things are starting to lighten up, and I kind of want to go on a bike ride. When you want to go biking, it's just like this at all your left turns, and then you think you got a spot, and then it's like that. I'm gonna go over to Lambert Park and with my on-one fat bike, and I'm not really gonna ride Lambert Park that much. I think I'm going to go try and find the path to get up to the top of Corner Canyon. Okay, so I'm parked over here at Lambert Park, right by the rodeo grounds. Do you ever do this, where you put your tire on and then you weren't paying attention to the tread direction? See the arrow? It's supposed to point that way. Oh, and it's cold. Woo! Dang! I need another layer. So yeah, I was parked over by the volleyball nets. Guess I didn't mention that part. Just go straight across. Fat tires, lots of rotating mass. I'm not gonna lie, that is kind of a scary looking sign, but my friend said that we can just go across that as long as we stay on the trail, don't ride motorized vehicles, obviously. Leave your e-bikes at home, you know what I mean? Oh, and who's my friend? My friend is the brother of the one of the developers out there who owns the land, or owned it, or something. He assured me it's okay, but you know what? That's a choice you're gonna have to make. I take no responsibility for your actions. All right, here's the trail. Okay, so here we are. We've come up this trail. Pretty cool. Oh man. Keep going, keep going. Oh, back to the road. Oh, dang it. I forgot to turn on Strava. Who cares about Strava anyway? Oh. Okay, so there's a fork in the trail, so I'm gonna stay to the left. So you can see where Corner Canyon is, right up there. And then some of the rocks around Jacobs. I think that's what we're seeing up top there. But yeah, this is pretty cool. The trick is going to be getting over to that trail up there. So far it's been pretty straightforward. now. Fairly steep, but I think it'll be fine. Got enough switchbacks. Hopefully. Oh, the road. Okay. Oh. There we go. I do not think that was the right way to go. Okay, I think I'm supposed to go up here by the old shooting range. That looks like a trail right there, so. Oh, is this sliding rock? I think it's sliding rock. I've only been up here a couple of times. Okay, well, I don't want to take those guys off, so I'll look on this side. I'm pretty sure my friend John said it was up there though, kind of right past them. Oh, I know what this one is. This is that super steep trail coming down. Oh, sweet. I got to the signpost. Three Falls Trail. No outlet. I just came up the no outlet trail. So the sign says to not use this no outlet area to get back down to Fort Canyon. And I agree with that. Oh, dang it. I was stuck because there were construction workers there and I was exploring. I didn't really know where everything went. So now I know, and I recommend that you don't go up and down that road so that we can respect that property. I'm going to show you where the ravine, which will have a bridge on it, where you can get down from there. And that is actually on a little spur trail coming off right before the ravine. And that spur trail will actually drop you right down at Sliding Rock, which is perfect. The only thing is that they don't want us to be hanging out at Sliding Rock. So don't hang out there. I'm not going to say you won't get in trouble. I'm pretty sure you won't, just for passing through while we wait for the bridge to be built. All right, Three Falls Trail. Trying to find my way to rodeo grounds, Lambert Park. I like this area. Nah. I missed the Crank Brother pedals, but not as bad as I thought I would. So it's good. Just running flats. I don't know. Thought it would be worse. Okay, here it is. Mystery Trail. We're taking it. Where does it go? Oh man. Yeah, wrong. Sounds tough. Okay. Yeah, I got this. Yeah, no problem. Okay. Oh, looks like there's another one that comes down from there too. Oh, you're kidding. This goes to, that's Sliding Rock right there. We are above Sliding Rock. I didn't realize that that's what the falls were there. Yeah, I can right here. Okay, so we've come full circle. That's the trail that I've been trying to figure out how to get on. And when we were at Sliding Rock just a little bit ago, we are just below this. So this is the cavern, canyon, whatever thing, the crevice. This is the thing that cannot be crossed without the bridge. And you can see I'm, whoa, right above the falls there. If you look right down there, that's where they were doing the construction and I didn't want to pass. So this trail that you're looking at behind me probably comes out right there on that road. So I think we've got all the pieces to get around, but I'm gonna go down there, and if they're still doing construction, I probably will just have to come back another time because I don't want to mess with those guys. Plus I'm supposed to get back to work now. Okay. Anyway, cool stuff right here. All right, coming down this feels kind of treacherous. It's just this tiny little footpath, it looks like, kind of trail. Haha. Wow, that was sketchy for a second. Oh my goodness. I don't feel like I should be. I guess we can just call the one switchback that I made a success. And these ones, yeah. They're just whatever. Oh, that one wasn't bad. Okay. Now I'm back to Sliding Rock. I'll just keep going, I guess. Oh. Well, this is going out over the falls. Yeah, just check it out. kind of the way the place where I was at just a few minutes ago. Oh. So this is the trick right here. How do I get past this stuff without crossing this guy's property? All right. We're getting granny gear. Because here we go. Yeah, this is more of that same cutter or shovel or whatever.